Hi guys, welcome back. So as you know by the title, I'm going to show you how to turn this wall into fully mirrored. So firstly, I've just gone ahead and taken off the edges of the window frame. That's to make it easier for the mirrors to be cut. And I'm going to sand it down to smooth it. So go ahead and do that. But obviously if you don't have that, you don't have to do it. But if you do have a window frame, it is ideal to do it because it'll be quite hard to put mirrors all around it. So my partner's just going to go ahead and take off the sticky back, and I've just got these mirrors from IKEA. They're very cheap, but you can go ahead and do them online. But the IKEA ones, I've spent over, I think I've bought over 20 packs. I did buy 30 packs, but obviously I did break a lot of mirrors as well on the way because it is quite hard to do these mirrors, especially when it's your first time. I've broke at least about 5 packs, so I've used like 15 packs for the whole wall, and it's a very long wall. So he's just going to go ahead and get something very hard like a stick or something that is straight and hard, and he's just scored with the mirror cutter. I'm going to put the links down below of all the things that you need, and he's just going ahead and cutted it, and then he's going to start smacking it really slowly onto the mirror just to make it easier to come off. Anyway, so let's go ahead and watch the video, and if you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll answer all of the questions. I'm going to put all the links down below of all the things that I've used. I might do another video of how to cut the mirror, like a close-up. If I do that, I'm going to put the link down below of that as well for you. So thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, comment down below. And again, thanks again for watching. Take care, bye.